We all know about arrays. Arrays are pictures that help us understand a multiplication problem. This particular array shows us 4 times 4. And we can see that because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer to this equation would be 16, and we know that because we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's what an array does. It helps us to identify a multiplication equation, and it helps us to solve it. Something else we can do with an array would be to find the area of something. And we can find the area of something by looking at it like this. The area is the surface of a shape. We could find the surface of this shape. We could find the area of the surface of this shape or of this shape by looking at it like an array. So let me explain. The area is going to be the length, which is this long side on the bottom, multiplied by the width, which is how tall it goes. So it says here, the area of a rectangle equals length times width. So we just need to figure out what number represents the length and what number represents the width, and then multiply them together in order to get the answer. So if we look at this over here, we can see that the length is 1, 2, 3 blocks long. So we could write the length as 3. Oh, that's not a very good color. We could write the length as 3. Let's try this one. That's better. And we could write the width, just like up here, the width as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could write the width as 5. And then all we'd have to do would be to multiply 3 times 5, and we know we can do that just like an array. So we have 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that this equation for this particular area would be 3 times 5 equals 15, because it looks just like an array. We have 3 down here, we have 5 over here, and if you add them all together, it makes 15. So let's try one of these together. This is actually what your homework looks like. So your homework has a bunch of dots like this, but we could draw in lines over those dots to help us if we wanted to. So let me draw some lines here to help us. We have them going this way as well. And we can figure out what the area of this rectangle is. Okay, so let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going this way. So we can write a 5 up here to represent that. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes over here. So we can write a 7 to represent that. So to find the area of this problem, we can look back over here. We want the length times the width equals the area. So our length over here is 5. So we can write 5 times our width. And our width over here is 7. So we can write 7. And we can figure out the answer just like we've done with all the other arrays by counting. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So our answer would be 35. And that's all you need to do to be able to find the area using arrays.